Welcome to Access Language School. This is Sweetie. In this video, I am going to explain how to use connectors or linking words in speaking and writing to increase your band scores. Okay, connecting words or phrases or vocabulary in English will help you to join together ideas and elements of communication in your writing. Using a wide range of vocabulary will help you to gain higher score at IELTS. You don't have to learn all of these phrases, just choose a few that you like and practice using them in your writing. First of all, we are going with listing words. If you want to list something in an order, you can use these words. If you want to count your points, then you can say firstly, secondly, thirdly in an order. If you are planning to highlight your points in a way, you can go with first, furthermore, finally. If you want to highlight the introduction and conclusion, then you can choose to begin to conclude. Moving with other linking words, for examples, the words that you can use instead of examples. Firstly, for example, other word that we can use is for instance. There are many other words like as follows. That is, in this case, namely, in other words. Okay, there are the words that we can use instead of giving example. In the case of reinforcement, which means if you want to strengthen your points, there are a number of words that we can use. It includes also, furthermore, moreover, what is more, in addition, besides, above all, as well or as well as, in the same way, not only but also. Coming with stating the obvious, if you want to state something surely, these words can be used. Obviously, clearly, naturally, of course, as can be expected, surely, after all. Result, consequence, showing results in the writing task like so, therefore, accordingly, consequently, thus, hence, for this or that reason, so that, in that case, under these circumstances. Moving to the next, expressing an alternative. If you want to express an alternative, we can use words like alternatively, rather, on the other hand. The alternative is another possibility would be. Coming to the point, generalizing. There are a number of words that we can use. Some of them are in general, generally, on the whole, as a rule, for the most part, in most cases, usually. Finally, concluding our writing task, words that can be used instead of summary. In conclusion, to conclude, in brief, to summarize, overall, therefore. Today we are done with the different types of linking words that you can use in your IELTS writing as well as speaking test. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video was an interesting one. Thanks for the support. See you in another video.